Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Okay,
Good afternoon.
okay. Listen. Today, welcome to our English classes. So today I am going to teach you tenses. I think you must have very well known of tenses. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, see, let me teach and then we will start our today's class. Okay, listen. See, let me share the screen today. And I am going to use whiteboard. Okay, so I will write something and then you will answer me. Okay, listen. So tenses, what is meant by tense? So I am writing something, a verb form See, what is meant by tense? A tense is a verb form. Okay. A tense is a verb form that shows, okay, that shows if something happens. Read that. See, what is meant by tense? A tense is a verb form. Okay. So, generally tenses are related with verbs. Do you know what is meant by verb? Yes?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So
Action
a verb form, yes, a verb form that is related to the tense means if there is any change in tense, so verb is going to change its form. Okay, so that is known as a verb form that shows if something is going to happen or something already happened or something is happening. Okay, that is meant by a tense. So understood, students? Once again, let me tell you what is meant by tense. So tense is nothing but a verb form, any action word that shows if something happens. Understood? Okay. So I think you all know that there are three main types of sentences. Can you tell me? Can you tell me three types of sentences? Yes? Anybody?
subject, object, and reflective.
No, I am asking about tenses. Three main tenses. If you know, then say.
Ma'am,
Yes?
can I?
Yes, yes.
Present continuous tense, a
Hmm.
simple present tense,
Hmm.
past tense.
Okay, okay, Shamika, good try. Okay, listen, this is not correct. Means totally not correct. But let me tell you, there are three main types of tenses. Understood? There are three main types of tenses. First, it's past tense. Let me write up. Present tense. Can you see this? Present tense. Second one is past tense. And third one is future tense. See the screen, okay? You will come to know there are three main types of tenses and they are present tense, past tense and future tense. Understood? Okay? Understood?
Yes.
Very
Yes, ma'am.
This you will keep in mind forever. Okay? So present tense, past tense and future tense. Okay? Just wait a minute. Just wait a minute. I will give you some examples. Just let me give examples. See, present tense, past tense and future tense. Okay? So listen. First, one by one we are going to see. Understood? Just wait a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, just wait a minute. Listen. So this we are going to see in details. Understood? So one by one let me explain that. See the screen. Okay? See, in present tense that we are going to see now. So present tense. Let me take one more text, okay, and then see there. So now I am going to explain simple present tense. It's simple present tense. Can you see the screen? Can you see simple present tense I have written on the board?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So simple present tense we are going to see. What is meant by simple present tense? It indicates regular habits. You know habits? For example, I eat, I drink. Okay? What else? Regular.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Regular events. Regular events and universal truth. That I will explain. Just wait a minute. Just that I will explain. See, simple present tense indicates habits. For example, I told you, I go to school, I drink water, I eat food. So regularly whatever we do now, that comes under present tense. Are you getting what I am explaining? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Even regular events that you exercise, you go to sleep, you come to school. So these are also regular events. And what is meant by universal truth? Means the truth that we can't change. For example, in the morning, every day sun comes, sun rises. Yes or no? Yes?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
that is a regular and that is universal. Nobody can't change the direction. Okay, so in this way, this simple present tense indicates these events, habits, regular events and universal truth. Okay, for example, let me show you. Okay, for example, I eat fruits. I eat fruits every day. I eat fruits every day. Yes or no? This sentence comes under what? Habits or regular events or universal truth?
Ma'am, regular events. Ma'am, regular events.
Yes, very good.
Regular
Yes.
events.
And even habits also. Because I like fruits, so I eat fruits. Okay, let's see the next sentence. I go to school. This is also regular event. One more is that sun rises in the east.
East.
Yes, so this is universal truth. You can't say that sun ala hota. In that way you can't say that sun was rising. Okay, so in that way sun rose. So in that way you can't say. So simple present tense indicates habits, regular events and universal truth. Understood? Okay. Any one of you please give one example of that simple present tense. Any one example.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, no problem.
I go to dance class every day.
Very good, very nice, Shamika. Who else?
Ma'am,
Yes, Aishwarya.
I ride bicycle every day.
Very nice, very good. Okay, so in this way, yes, Sparsh.
I do study every day.
Very nice. Means you understood, everyone understood the simple present tense. Let's move ahead with the next tense, and that is simple past tense. Okay, that is simple past tense. I am going to write on the board. Simple past tense. Okay, this is simple past tense. So let's see what will happen. Okay, simple past tense indicates the actions which are already done, which are already over. Okay, means which are already happened. Understood? For example, in the morning you did breakfast. Okay, in this way this simple past tense comes. For example, so means whatever happened already happened. What is here? Already happened. Tasks are mentioned here. Already happened. Tasks are mentioned here. Understood? Yes? Simple past tense.
Yes.
Very good. So for
Yes, ma'am.
example, before 1 hour, I ate a fruit. Okay, so how I can say that I ate a fruit. So already you have, this process is over. So that's why what you are going to say, I ate a fruit. See the action word ate. Okay, see the action word ate. This is the 3 forms of verbs. Verb 1, verb 2 and verb 3. Understood? That also I will explain to you. Okay, see the next text. Let me draw that. Okay. See now. Just wait a minute. Just wait a minute. Let me erase this and let me take the next text. Okay. Okay, see. For example, if I say eat, this is the present tense. And what is the past tense of eat? It is ate. And what is the next? Very good. And what is the past perfect? It's eaten. What is that? Eaten.
Eat.
So,
Eaten.
very good, very good. So, in this way, eat you will use for present tense. Eat you will use for what? Present tense.
Present tense.
Very good. Ate you will use for past tense.
Past
Very
tense.
good. So this please keep in mind. So eat is present tense and ate is past tense. Understood? So in this way we are going to see past tense. Some more examples let me take for past tense. Okay. For example, they drank. What is the past form of drink? Can you tell me? Drink.
Drank.
Very good. Okay. They, very good. They,
Drank.
yes, they drank
Drank
milk.
milk.
Drank milk. So one more example.
Milk.
Take. She. What is the past tense of write? Writing. Write.
Wrote.
Very good.
Wrote.
Very good. So they drank milk. She wrote a letter. So these are the examples of past tense. Okay. So have you understood now which are present and which are past? Let's move on to the next.
Yes.
Let's move on to the next one. let me write something on the board. Okay. And now see. Okay. Now let's go for next main tense, that is future tense.
Future tense.
Which is that? Future tense.
Future
Future tense. Very good. What is meant by future tense? Future tense means the things which are yet to happen. Means the things we are going to happen. Okay, understood? Means which have not yet happened and which are happen in future. For example, after 1 week your school will start. So yeah, is it started now? Is it started now?
No.
No.
No, ma'am.
Very good. So it is future tense because I told that after 1 week your school will start. So in this way future tense indicates whatever is going to happen. Okay. And generally, okay, please mute your mic. Students, mute your mics. Okay. Listen. So see, generally this future tense is shown with the word will. Which word is used in future tense? Yes?
Will.
Very good. That
Will.
one you will keep in mind. For example, if you want to go to school, so how you will say? Yes?
I will go to
Go
to school.
Go to school. When?
School.
When? Tomorrow. Okay? So, I am writing
Yes.
I will go to school tomorrow. Suppose you
Tomorrow.
suppose if you want to eat ice cream, but your father said no tomorrow. So, how you will say that word, that sentence?
I will eat ice cream tomorrow.
Yes, I will eat
Ice cream tomorrow.
I
will eat ice cream tomorrow.
Very good. And I will eat an ice cream tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Okay. Just wait a minute. So I will eat an ice cream tomorrow. So have you understood, students? Okay. Have you understood this? Now let's move on to the something else. Just wait a minute. Just wait a minute. I will show you one video. You please watch it. You just watch it and then wait a minute. Let me start the video. Just wait a minute. And let me know whether you understand this. Okay, watch this carefully and then
Grammarly does more than catch errors. With Grammarly, you can find really good, no, perfect words that make your writing sharp or
can you hear the sound?
Yes, ma'am.
Simple
Okay, what
tenses,
is
Yes.
present, past and future. The word tense indicates the time of an action or an event. For example, the moon shines brightly. In this sentence, the verb shines indicates an action in the present. Yesterday, she visited the doctor. In this sentence, the verb
See, in this sentence, see the verb. Can you tell me the verb here? Yes? Action word? Please students, watch the sentence carefully and let me know. Okay? Can you tell me the verb here? Action word? Which action is going on? Yes?
Ma'am, visited.
Very good. Already
Ma'am, visited.
yes, it is already shown in red. Okay,
Visited.
red color, visited. So can you? So this is present tense, past tense, or future tense? Which tense is that?
Past
Yes,
tense.
because ed is there. So that's why visit is the present tense and past tense is visited. Okay, let's
ED.
go ahead now.
verb visited indicates an action in the past. Tomorrow, she will pray at the church. In this sentence,
Yes, which tense can you tell me? Yes? Anybody of you, please let me know which tense is this. In the red color, will pray is given. Is it present, is it past, or is it future tense?
Ma'am, future tense.
Very good, Shamika.
Future.
Yes.
Ma'am, future tense.
Can you tell me how you have identified
tense.
this?
Ma'am, in future tense, the word will is there. Will is there.
Very, very good, Shamika. Okay, let's move ahead.
the verb will pray indicates an action in the future. Verbs in simple present tense indicate habits and general truths. In this case, the verb simply ends with s or es. For example, the sun rises in the east. Verbs in simple past tense indicate actions that happened in the past. In this case, the verb simply ends with ed. For example, the day ended. Verbs in simple future tense indicate an action that will happen in the future. In this case, the verb simply begins with will. For example, I will go for trekking tomorrow.
Okay, students, have you understood whatever I have shared on the screen? Yes? Okay.
Yes,
So in this way, today we have seen tenses, and there are three main types of tenses. Let's revise that. That is three main types of tenses. Present tense. Second one,
past tense and third one future tense.
very good.
And future tense. Present tense,
Very
past
good.
tense and future tense.
Okay, very good. Means you all have understood that there are three main tenses. Again, these tenses are having its subtenses that we are going to see in the next class. Okay, understood? Huh? Now, thank you so much for your cooperation, students. So, now we will stop the meeting. Understood? Thank you.
Ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Bye bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.